Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best wood routers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 12. Festool of 1400 EBQ plus GB 1400W router. Festool is among the leaders and innovators of the power tool world, and the price tends to reflect this fact, but you do get a long-lasting, ultra-reliable high-precision machine in return for your investment. Ignore the weight, as this thing is designed to root through wood like a hot knife through butter and is arguably one of the beefiest models featured on this page. As a result, it glides through chunky worktops and even tackles laminates without chipping, cracking, or snagging. Arguably one of the most impressive elements is the extremely well-engineered dust extraction tool, which virtually rids the workspace of any harmful materials for an easy breathing experience. Number 11. Triton TRA001 2400W Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. This mighty machine packs a number of useful facets that make it worthy of its extremely reasonable price tag. For a start, it features a 1/2" and 12mm collet for a greater range of bit fitment, a soft start and variable speed system makes it easy to use with all cutter types, and there's a handy micro-winder for fine depth adjustments on the fly. A powerful dust extraction feature keeps the workplace clean, while numerous safety systems ensure that fingers remain firmly intact during tough cutting or routing jobs. Triton's tools are also built to exacting standards, which means they feel heavy in the hand and come across as fairly robust beasts, which is great given the mid-range price tag. Number 10. Lotus ER001 Electric Plunge Wood Router. The final wood router on the list is the Lotus Electric Plunge Wood Router. The router has a 1.6 horsepower motor that spins at 16,000 to 30,000 RPM. Like most routers, this router allows users to adjust their speed based on their material and project needs. The tool can be set at variable depths and provides clean cuts. One issue is the placement of the power cord, which is placed on top of the handle. This sometimes can get in the way and become a distraction. A second issue is the machine seems a bit bulky. It weighs around 9 pounds but seems heavier in use. Number 9. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router. The Bosch 2.25 HP Plunge and Fixed Base Router Kit is a versatile kit for a broad range of applications, including precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming and dovetail cutting. You can also use it with a router table. The kit features a 25,000 RPM, 12-amp motor that delivers the power needed for smooth routing. Case type: hard plastic, handle a broad range of routing applications with the versatile Bosch 1617 EVSPK Plunge and Fixed Base Variable Speed Router Kit. This router kit includes a powerful motor with advanced speed control technology, precision bases, and plenty of advanced features to help get a variety of jobs done quickly and accurately. Take care of even tough routing jobs with the powerful 2.25 HP 12-amp motor and its versatile speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. The variable speed dial allows you to set the optimal speed for the routing task and material. And with built-in constant response circuitry, your router will maintain a constant speed throughout the cut, so you get cleaner, more accurate results. The Bosch 1617 EVSPK Plunge and Fixed Base Router Kit is durable and built for years of use. The motor housing and bases are now made of aluminum, and the power switch is now completely dust-sealed for added durability. The rugged carrying case keeps all of the components protected. This routing system is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and 1-year service protection plan. Number 8. Ridgid R2401 Trim Wood Routers. If you're looking for some versatility in a router, look to the Ridgid Trim Wood Router. This tool comes with adjustable round and square bases, making it easier to maneuver depending on the project. The router has a built-in quick-release trigger to help speed up the process of removing the motor from the base, which helps when switching base plates. It has an adjustable dial for control of depth. The tool is compact, making it easy to store. However, a majority of the tool is also made out of plastic, making it less durable than other routers on the market. Unfortunately, there's no dust containment feature, which could cause the tool to overheat and possibly break down. Number 7. Avid Power Fixed Base Wood Router. The Avid Power Fixed Base Wood Router is perfect for the hobby woodworker. This router contains an 11-amp motor and can spin up to 25,000 RPM, which allows the machine to cut through many different types of wood. This tool allows for specific depth of cuts, which is great for precise bit plunging and edge work cutting. Other factors that make it a tool to consider are the comfort operators have while using the tool and the comfort you feel when buying this router. The tool itself is comfortable to use for extended periods and you won't have uncomfortable conversations with your significant other about how much you spent for the tool. However, there is one item that makes us uncomfortable: the bits can become loose while working, which is a safety concern for both the user and the project. Number 6. SKIL Fixed Base Corded Wood Router. The SKIL Fixed Base Corded Router is a nice 10-amp fixed base router that makes clean, crisp cuts and can be adjusted to desired depth. What is nice about this tool is that it lets the operator select the speed based on the project. This makes it a great tool for more artistic and intricate projects. To help even further with detailed cutting, the router comes with 2 LED lights to help guide the work. The router uses a soft start, which gives the user a more controlled and safer start. The shape of the handles makes this tool easy to use for extended periods of time. Number 5. Porter Cable 690 LR Wood Router. The Porter Cable Wood Router is one of the more powerful models on this list, and designed and typically used for larger projects. It has an 11-amp motor and can spin 27,500 RPM, which means it can tear through any kind of wood like it was melted butter. Aside from the high-end motor, the Porter Cable Wood Router is great for large projects or extended use because the dust containment system keeps the motor from getting overheated. Aside from good power, it also can be set to a precise depth, making for intricate cutting at high speeds. One drawback is that, like with many high-powered machines, the motor can vibrate pretty aggressively. Number 4. Triton 3-to-1-4 HP Wood Router. Although the Triton HP Wood Router was designed with newer woodworkers in mind, it is still used by many experienced craftsmen. What draws people to use this router is its simplicity. It is a single-button machine that switches from conventional plunge setting to fixed base router. The router can run from 800 to 21,000 RPM, which provides a stable cutting speed that is great for first-time and newer users. Again, with simplicity in mind, any adjustments that need to be made to the Triton HP Wood Router can be done with a wrench that is included with the tool. This router also provides for dust removal, keeping the tool running clean, which helps keep the motor cool. The drawback for this router is price. It is on the expensive side with fewer features than other routers. Number 3. DeWalt DWP611PK Wood Router. The DeWalt Wood Router is a solid router set at a premium price. This router operates on a 1.25 horsepower motor and can run anywhere from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM with ease. This router can tear through woodworking projects that are both large and small due to its ability to set and control speed. Another major plus for this tool is the fact that it has 2 LED lights and a clear base to help the operator see exactly what they are doing and where they are cutting. The DeWalt Wood Router has a compact design which is easy to use and very portable. One drawback to this machine is that it can sometimes run hot when used heavily. This happens with overuse, especially at higher RPM. Number 2. Enertwist Compact Wood Router. One of the best wood routers for the money is the Enertwist Compact Wood Router, a smaller unit that provides a constant running speed of 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. This helps the router make precise and clean cuts, giving your project a professional look. For the price and size, this is a great buy for the casual woodworker and domestic projects. There are both positive and negative aspects of the smaller size of the Enertwist Compact Wood Router. The positive is that it is easy to store and transport. The negative aspect is less power, which can limit project size. Number 1. Makita RT0701CX7 Compact Wood Router Kit. The Makita Compact Router Kit has a powerful motor and a smooth touch. With a blade speed of 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, the tool can cut and shape wood in many settings, and the locking control mechanism will not change speed during the cut. The precision depth adjustment system allows for the user to set the depth quickly and, more important, accurately. The tool itself is durable and easy to handle. The slow start component is one of the nicest features of the Makita kit. It's a useful feature for newer router users, but also nice for more advanced users who know the chance of a tear-out at the start. One drawback to this tool comes to light after prolonged use. When used for longer periods, the user will notice some vibration, which can cause slip-ups.